What's up, everybody? I figured I'd do a how-to on how to use the YakAttack Thru Haul wiring kit to do all your wiring needs. These things are so versatile. It's not just for kayaks. A lot of people think so. I am actually redoing a MonArk 17-foot bass boat. Don't mind the mess. But to use one of these kits, the only thing you have to do is drill a 1-inch hole with a hole saw. See if I can find my hole saw. And then these little grommets that come in the kit, and they're actually lettered. Get some out here. Makes it really nice. And they're different size holes. And actually right there you can see letters. There's B, there's A, and there's a C. But here's the finished product. They come with an outer plastic, and they also come with the screws, which makes it really nice. But the outer plastic, you just feed your wire through that outer plastic, run your wire through those grommets, and those grommets are actually designed to fit in that 1-inch hole. And then the outer portion, the plastic portion, just fits over top of that, which makes it nice and watertight. You can run silicone underneath of it if you'd like. Don't have to. It's pretty waterproof the way it is. I actually used 2 on this fish finder. There's my paracord for my fish finder. And my other one is up underneath there. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. But they are really nice. Like I said, they are YakAttack Thru Haul wiring kit. I'm actually going to be using probably 6 to 7 on this particular project. Come up here up front. This is where the front one is. As you can see, this is the paracord for the front fish finder. And like I said, I got the wire run through there. The only reason why I haven't finished putting this on there yet is because I'm actually waiting on the front navigation lights to come in, and that's exactly where the wiring is going to go. It's actually really nice because one half I have the fish finder paracord, and then the other side I am going to have the nav light paracord going down through, and it just makes a real nice clean finish. You can just run the wire, you can see right there, run the wire through the bulkheads of the boat, and it just makes an awesome setup. Go check them out. It's definitely worth it. They have a bunch more goodies that I will do some more how-to videos. As you can see, here's a whole box of goodies. I mean, just real quick, there's some tracks. There's a cup holder. There's a rod holder. I believe that's the Omega. And like I said, they're a really good company, man. I use their products. I'm going to be using a lot of these. The snagless slotted paddock kit. Now, I will show you how I use these during this project a little later, because I got some more of those. But anyhow, we'll jump off here. Thanks for your time. Go check them out. YakAttack Thru Haul wiring kit.